Welcome. In this video I'm going to cover using the automounter with an NFS share. The automounter is often used as the preferred method for mounting NFS shares. In fact, the default file system that the automounter expects is NFS. There are many benefits to using the automounter. Root privileges are not required, as they are for manual mounting. Connections are not permanently established, as they are with /etc//fs tab, potentially minimizing network and system resource usage. Auto-mounted NFS shares are available to all users of the system, subject to appropriate security access. Mount options are consistent with the manual mount command. Mount points are managed by AutoFS. Flexible share selection based on variables in the configuration. It is all entirely client-side configuration. And finally, it is just another system service, managed like any other system service. To get started, you need to install the AutoFS package. Next, you need to create the auto mount configuration files. The first is the master map file. This file is placed in the /etc//auto.master.d directory. It can be any name you like, but it must have an extension of .autofs. The master map file identifies the base directory for mounts to be managed on, and the absolute name of the map file, discussed shortly. If you are planning to use direct maps, then the base directory is always // The second configuration file is the mapping file, as referenced in the master map file. By convention, it is located in the /etc directory and called auto.someExtension, where extension is usually some meaningful name. This file contains the mount point, or key as it is referred to in the man pages, mount options, and the remote NFS share location. The mount options are the same as the mount options for the manual mount command. This example is showing an indirect mount. The mount point will be created and/or removed automatically by the automounter as a subdirectory of the directory referenced in the master map file. Start the AutoFS service and enable it so that it starts at boot time. Now you can use the mounted NFS share. Direct maps always include the absolute path for the mount point. The last entry in the path will be managed by the automounter. One useful technique to handle multiple shares from a common remote base location is the wildcard and replacement variable, asterisk and ampersand. When the local user uses an NFS share directory name locally, the automounter will try and mount that name in the replacement variable. As an example, this can be useful for mounting network-based home directories. But any situation where the remote base directory and mount options are the same can be used. To recap, install AutoFS, create a master map file in /etc/auto.master.d, create the referenced mapping file, include any mount options, and finally start and enable the AutoFS service. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.